I have two cars to show today in this video on part of my diorama here. I took it apart because I might be building an actual one from the craft store, an actual diorama. So I have two cars. I said first is Jonny Lightning. And the second is this old Ford GT. I picked both of these up at like an old toy store. They sell like older toys. So first I'm gonna open this Jonny Lightning. I wonder who makes these little car bags. It's shiny. The hood opens too. Push that down. Don't want to ruin that. There we go. There's the engine. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I can. So there is engine. The hood doesn't want to stay open though. But there it is. It's pretty detailed. The wheels, the line's not really straight. Park it right here, it just looks like a real car, like the 50s where they all parked on the side of the road. And then I'll get this Ford GT out of the package. Oh, sorry, it's a Lamborghini. I called it Ford GT. I think I did. It's Lamborghini. Like suspension. Both doors open. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing a drag race between the new Honda Civic and the old Honda Civic from Hot Wheels. And also from the, with the, what do you call it? The RX-7 from Hot Wheels, the then and now one. So stay tuned for that. This is on my Instagram channel too. I put a picture of this on my Instagram channel. It was my icon, but it's not anymore. I changed it. But I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I do have cars up there on the roof. This is probably my favorite Hot Wheels City thing that I have. So that's why I'm using it. I don't have anything else connected to it, if I can see it. So, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to try to get that video out before this weekend. So it's October, right? Yeah. It's October. I don't know how I didn't know that. I did. But I do now. But it's October, so this weekend would be the, I don't know. I don't feel like doing math right now. Well, you'll just see it when it comes out. Yeah. Oh, battery's dying, so I better go. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram. Like and subscribe if you like the content. Don't unsubscribe. It makes me a little mad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.